Hello everyone, my name is Viclin of Nigeria. Okay, as I don't come back again, so I go to unbox the LEAGOO T5c smartphone. Okay, so make we just quickly go in, make we see wetin LEAGOO pack put inside this box for us. Make we know wetin dey inside this box, make we know whether them do well or them no do well. So make I just comot all this thing, make we see wetin LEAGOO put inside this box for us. Okay, so here is the LEAGOO T5c smartphone. Wow, what a metallic build, making sense, man. LEAGOO they try for this one, no, man, no lie. This one they try gone for this one, no. Okay, so make I see wetin remain for inside the box before I go begin heal them. Okay, so I see pin SIM ejector for here, so may I just come out and put on there. So wetin remain inside this box? Okay, cable. Oh boy, which kind of cable be this? This one no no dey this one. This one makes sense that the cable solid gone. Okay, now we see wetin remain inside this pack. See paper everywhere, see nice. Okay, I just picked up the charger now. So this is the charger. Wetin remain? I see the warranty certificate and the user manual. Okay, this one now the phone case. You see, our people they call silicone case. So whatever it is, this is now our phone case. Maybe we'll just put on there and come out all this quality for road. Maybe we see wetin remain. So basically, for inside the quality of the LEAGOO T5c, see wetin we get inside. Unfortunately, they no give us earphone. I don't even know why they no put earphone. For 2018, they put phone without earphone. Wetin they try talk. And they still put hold for here. They want me to go buy earphone. That's my first turn off for this device. Okay, so make we move on to the design. May we see wetin LEAGOO take their time build for us for this phone. Is it worth buying? Is it worth paying for? May we see am. Okay, so let me just peel off this nylon. May I just come out all this nylon? So may we see road. Wow, honestly, I am highly impressed. LEAGOO do well for this phone. They do well. They give them A for this body. The body makes sense. Come on. Okay, so maybe we just quickly jump in to see all the other feature with the phone. For the volume keys, it dey exactly the position, the right hand side. You see it dey there. This is the power button down here. So for the left side, we get our SIM tray. So I'm sure this SIM tray is going to contain both our SIMs and the memory card. As for our under this phone here, you go notice say we get earphone jack here and a USB port dey here. Shey you dey hear me? So and the speaker grills come dey here too. Okay, wetin we get for top? Nothing dey for top. So for our front cameras, this one na our front facing camera. E get sensor and e get flashlight. For the back, we also have, wow, this is wonderful. E carry two cameras for back. This is actually impressive considering the price of this phone. If I tell you the price, you go shock because I barely see two cameras for phone wey cheap like this. I barely see two cameras for phone wey cheap like this. I can't wait to open this phone to turn on this phone and see wetin LEAGOO put inside this phone. But before that, may we see the specification of this phone according to wetin they put for this quali. Then say the phone na 5.5 display. Shey you see am, e get octa-core, e dey run octa-core 1.8 GHz processor. Dis thing go make am fast well well. For the front camera, e carry 5MP front facing camera. The back camera na 2 camera, you go see am, one na 13, the other one, the sub one na 2MP back camera. So e carry 2 SIM, but based on how the SIM take dey configured, I sure say na 2 nano SIM, or you use 1 nano SIM and 1 memory card. You no fit use 2 SIM and 1 memory card together, e no fit work. So coming on here, you go see say the battery dey moderate. It's about 3000 mAh. Oh, I skip the RAM na 3 gig RAM. This is enough for you to run smooth, to play games and do some really power intensive, stuffs. So for the RAM, that's enough storage for you. This one na the storage, 32 gig storage. You no even need buy memory card, but if you need buy memory card, you fit expand this storage to about 32 gig too. And then it's coming with the old version, which is Android 7.0. We have 8.0 now. I don't know why it's not there, but okay, so let's just move on. So basically, we are going to turn on this device to see what we have in there. So let's do that fast. Okay, and so but as the thing we dey wait say make the thing turn off, may I just check the wetin this thing go weigh. Shey the thing dey heavy, because we need know. May I just test the weight of this thing. Oh, that is not as heavy as the phone where I dey currently use, which is the Note 4. My Note 4 is about 216. So you see say this one sef not too heavy like that. Shey you see am, e not too heavy. This is just 174 gram. That's okay if you ask me. So the phone don on now, make we just continue to dey explore the features of wetin dey inside this phone. Make we know whether na something wey we go fit invest our money. And based on the price, this thing no too cost, na just 33,000 naira you go buy am. So make we just get started. Oh boy, see shine everywhere. The phone don on now. As you can see, this is a very sleek and smooth device. It makes sense gone. Honestly, this phone no bad. And if you look the price, honestly, this phone no bad. So maybe we just quickly see wetin they put inside this phone according to the about us. So you can see this phone get updates, so you fit receive updates. Shey you see am there. Now the Android 7 be that. You see the RAM, you see the storage, and the name of the phone. So maybe we quickly go see wetin dey the may we see the sound. Okay, yeah, audio profile. May I test, may I know how this sound go perform. Okay, volumes. The sound no bad though, the thing loud. I dey think say with this one speaker wey dey here, say the thing no go too dey strong dem, but e dey okay. At least e no dey sound like this China phone wey we dey know back then. Shey you get? So the sound dey quality. E make sense. You can hear that now. So make we just quickly do some kind testing with the camera. May I see as e be. So if e no dey detailed enough, but make we just manage am like that, you know. For my blog, you go find more detailed review of the camera, video test, and so many other tests that you will be getting. So make I just take this shot. Show you see am. So look at the quality. It's crystal clear. It's very nice. Can you see? This is zooming in, and you can see it maintains the sharpness. It's not even blurry at all. Honestly, I'm sure this is going to be a really interesting camera. But when I do a thorough, analysis of this camera, I will understand how it performs. So let's see. Okay, there are some professional features that you can explore, that you can play with here too. Okay, so that is it. Okay, let me know if there are other things you want me to review. If you get things where you want make I talk about, if you get things where you want make I test for you, or you want make I do maybe versus am with maybe one other device, if you make me know, just comment using the comment box wey dey below. And I dey beg you, please, if you like wetin I dey do, if you like the review wey I do, or you think there's a part where I can improve, please use the comment section. May you tell me. Shey you get? There's room for improvement, and abeg hit the subscribe button. Shey you get? Show us love, my brother. So thank you. I'll be looking to get you engaged in the next video that will be coming. So you can keep it locked down, and always check out my content on nigerianow.com.ng. Peace out.